for another episode of Hard Hat Heroes, and this time we are standing in front of an aircraft carrier, Carl Vinson. And what's exciting about this one is we're about to go surprise a group of Shipfitters from Shop 11 and Welders from Shop 26. They have been working on our ability to remove access cuts, streamlining the process such that we are no longer plasma cutting these things out, we are machining them out. And this is reducing the time for install by 50%. It can't get better than that. So let's go surprise them. They have no idea. You guys are our hard hat heroes. What? Yes, you are. And I wanted to come down and personally recognize you for the hard work that you have been doing on the access cuts. 77 access cuts, and you are putting them back in flawlessly. 0 defects, and that's pretty amazing. How does it feel? Tell me a little bit about the process. You've got to work with the welders have to work with the shipfitters, and you got to work as one team. Tell me a little bit about that.
I think it's great. We do a lot of the training and the mock-up training together. So when it actually comes time to do the work, each of us knows and understands each other's roles and responsibilities. So the work practically does itself.
So tell me about this connection to mission and how you feel we've streamlined this process and the teamwork.
It feels really good. It's nice to have everybody working together and really on the ball, just covering every part of their job and working together and communicating, making sure that we get it done right, quick, 0 defects. Feels great.
It does feel great. Thank you. You're making a big difference down here, and I don't know what we would do without you. So keep doing what you're doing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because it's really about one mission, one team. Great job.